Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you this cat head hack tutorial in DTI. So if you're ready to go for meowgical in DTI, in this video I'll show you how you can create the cutest cat hat look, and yes, it's totally non-VIP friendly. So this is the cat head or cat hat that I created, and let me show you how you can make this one. Okay, so first you can just head to this hat rack and put on this fur hat and change the color to the color that you like. I'm going to go with this orange color, and here you can use the adjustment feature. So for the fur hat, here you can lower the Y on the positions into 37 and the Z to 58 and rotate X 0 and change the scale to 72. Okay, so you'll get the head like this. And the second item, you can put on the whiskers, this one, and here you can also use the adjustment feature. So this is the adjustment for the whisker, X49, Y37 and the Z27 on position. This is for the rotate. I'm not changing anything, and the scale 59. And next you're going to put on this cat ears, and here change the color into orange, and here you can also use the adjustment again. So I only changed the Y on under the position to 31 and the scale into 1. And next you are going to put on the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to use these earrings at the top, change the color into black and use the adjustment here. For the Y in positions 61. And here the Z, you can lower it so it will be visible like this. For the rotate, just leave it as it is, and also the scale. And now I'm going to grab this hat, change the color into orange and change the texture into matte, and also adjust the position. So for the scale, lower it into 90. The rotate, lower the X into 0. And the Y49, Z51. And lastly, for the position, just lower the Y and Z. So Y26 and the Z34. So you'll get the mouth, and this is the cat head for you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this hack. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.